ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। My dear friends, viewers and my all subscribers, today I would like to inform you that all mankind, all people on this earth has similar human body, and everybody has similar blood group, maybe any. All people have two legs, two hands, one nose, two hole, two eyes, but by the two eyes one image is formed in our retina. If we see through one eye, even then one image will be formed. I would like to tell you, everybody has similar human body. Slight difference is there between man and woman, but all women are similar, all men are similar, man and woman are dissimilar due to various reasons. But women, after getting education, they may be doctor, they may be engineer, they may have better IQ than man. I would like to say everybody is similar. This is I want to say. And whenever slight difference of color is there, slight difference of thinking is there, difference in languages are there, but everybody come out with the same process. By nature, everybody takes 9 months of gestation period. Few days may be here and there, and everybody has 2 legs, like that similarities are there. But opinion may be different, but all the saints of any country trying to establish the link with the power or creator who has created us, means God. One creator has created all humanity, and same creator has created water, earth, air, and many other things in this universe. We are different in thinking, but basic infrastructure of human being is same. When basic human structure is same, efficiency of human being is depend upon whose mental caliber or IQ or capability of his brain. So therefore, if we would like to develop our brain cell. It means our IQ, if we want to increase, or we want to become Superman. So quality in brain is required, not in muscles. Muscle power person can be heavier on 10 people, 30 people, like that. But power, who is mentally strong person, means who has mental power, he can supersede 1,000 and 1,000 people with his own caliber. This point has to be noted in our life and throughout our life. Then we can become Superman. Super qualities will come to us. Super knowledge will come to us. By the knowledge only, man can increase his capability of his mind, his brain. By medical science and by general knowledge and by experience in you, whatever experience now you have, you well understand that the caliber of brain and mind is important, not muscle power or other things. So, how to increase our caliber? This is very important. One thing I would like to state here, that nowadays Indians are running most of the IT sector around the world, computer, etc. In Australia, so many young people of India has gone. Some part they study in India and some part in Australia. Thereafter they are doing the engineering work there in Australia. Some are in Canada, some are in USA, some are in various country, Saudi Arabia, this, that. Many youth of India has gone and doing mental work. They have studied thoroughly. They understood the science. Science has taken birth in Western countries, and whatever science we study in India, that all has come from Western country, whether it is Newton's law or Faraday's law. Most of the scientists has taken birth in Western countries, and by systematic study in their university, they uplifted their knowledge of science in their country or in Western countries like USA, UK, France, Germany, and many other countries are there. Nowadays Australia is also included. Scientists were not born in Australia but university, and a very glorious, beautiful, knowledgeable university they have constructed so that Australian can also do some miraculous scientific development. Our country is still far behind for the infrastructure facility for highly or technical high technically universities. That is why Indians are going out to learn practical technology from the Western countries and Australia like that. And they learn. They have done their job successfully and they absorbed in that type of country wherever they have taken education. But what science has been developed by the Indians? It is also a miraculous science. That is spiritual knowledge. How to become Superman. How to meet supreme power. This technology is well known to Indians. But there were no good institute has been established where logically our youth should learn about the spirituality and many more things like that. Spirituality is also one of a big science. But in this science, it is not related with physical things. This science is science of mind. This science will increase your ability of brain. This science will increase your capability. This science will make you Superman. You can meet super consciousness. Super consciousness is actually God. The God has spreaded in each and every atom. Even in subatomic particle, electron, proton and neutron, it is also formed by the God. All the charges on electron, proton, neutron has been planted by Creator. And by knowing all these minute things, we can understand that as atom is, similar is the constructional part in our galaxy. Suppose we consider about our solar system in which our earth is moving. Earth is moving around sun. And sun is shining and spreading its light in all the four directions. Because it is circular, we are seeing it from the earth, it is looking circular. And many scientists also in the same view that it is a spherical body. Our earth is also a spherical body. The smallest particle of universe is atom, and biggest we can consider that galaxy is the similar prototype of atom. Atom is model, galaxy is prototype. In this way, I would like to tell you, as our galaxy in which Earth is there, our planet is there, our Earth is rotating about its own axis, and circular motion it is performing around Sun. And this pattern is same as in the atom. In atom, at nucleus, this electron is rotating around the nucleus and about its own axis. So, this is our galaxy, in which sun we are seeing every day. Moon is another sub-planet. It is rotating around our Earth. So I would like to say, all these things are moving. Electron is moving, Earth is moving, Sun is rotating about its own axis. All these motions, all this arrangement has been done by some knowledgeable consciousness, not person. Creator has much more knowledge than us, and he is much more powerful than us. The power who has created us has more and more knowledge, more and more power, more and more energy is there in him. So, we can understand by simply seeing around us at the night, so many stars are there. All the stars are one sun, and around all that planets are moving, and they are much far away from our sun. So, infinite stars are there, infinite arrangement has been made, infinite atoms are there in 1 cubic square meter. If we consider 1 cubic square centimeter, then how many electrons, how many atoms will be there? Lot of atoms are there in this much cubic centimeter of volume. So, atom is the smallest part in the universe. It is non-visible. Only by scientific knowledge we know all these things. In physics, chemistry, we have studied all these things. Conclusion is that some power is there which is rotating electrons around its nucleus. And same is the power, similar is the power which is rotating Earth around the Sun and about its own axis. And this arrangement is coming out from crores and crores years. It is not known when. What is the date of birth of universe? Date of birth of universe is not known to any person or any granth, any scientist. Simply we know that it is from many years. It is not known from which year. And calculation of year was whether there or not. It is also not known. So whatever we see in everyday our life, we can understand only that knowledge is there for making so big universe and so many things in the universe. So many things are there in this universe. Universe is not empty. Atoms and many species are there on the earth as well as on other planets. Things are there. Maybe living, maybe non-living. In our planet, 84 lakhs species are there as per our sacred books. But knowledge day by day in various fields is increasing because several scientists are involved in research. Several universities are conducting in several branches, and students, human beings, are digging out new discoveries, and knowledge is increasing due to all these efforts of human beings. Technology has reached so high. Within one mobile, if we turn few buttons, we can see everything in Google, many things in Google. Whatever up till now uploaded by the various intelligent people around the globe, we can watch, we can see, we can go. If we have access, we know the thing, we can find out. So, infinite knowledge is there in Google. And by developing technology of machines, efficient computers and efficient mobiles are there on the hands of human being. They can search out many things from the Google, and they can learn many things from the Google. In this way, I would like to conclude, knowledge is infinite. Knowledge infinite. Even in Google, knowledge is so much. So, if we want to connect and if we want to have proper access in sight of Google, then only we can go and see the knowledge. Similarly, if you want to connect with your super knowledge, supercomputer of God, Creator, one khand is there called Gyan Khand. All the enlightened people, they have wrote about the Gyan Khand, knowledge. But connection of it has been developed by some people, some saints. Technology is there. we have to develop or we have to meditate on that superpower. Then we can have the access to the Gyan Khand and we can download various kind of knowledge from that site. That is the site in the universe, and proper technology should be there. Technology is very simple. Through our body we can have connection. We can get connected with the supreme power, and thereafter we can access to that Gyan Khand. From where automatically downloading will start in our brain cell. Initially brain cell will get development to grasp such type of knowledge. Patience has to be increased. Capability of the cell has to increase. Thereafter downloading is possible. It means one thing we have to note down, our brain has capacity. Our brain has capacity to emit signal to universe and receive the signal from universe. And this thing we can do by meditating, by using some technology which is universal and unique and simple. Technology is very simple, technique is very simple, but you have to do it daily. Daily practicing will establish the connection with Gyan Khand, and many things can be downloaded either directly or in sleep or at any time. It will be in your experience, it will be in your consciousness. You should be conscious all the time. You should be meditate on one power, and you should involve your third eye, this chakra, and our brain, mid part of the brain. Mid of the brain has, in mid of the brain, pituitary gland and hypothalamus are there, but pineal gland is one of the important organ in our brain which is able to receive the signal from universe. All the scientific development taken place in Western countries, in that country, if we consider Faraday, who has invented lot of things, he all the time got the signal from universe. By some way or other ways. Sometime in sleep, Archimedes, he got the signal at the time of dream. Archimedes, and many other scientists, mathematicians, they got the signal at the time of sleep. Some got in awakened state as well. Downloading of signal will be automatic, but you have to meditate on that subject. Meditation is very simple. From our nose, air is going and coming. Simply you have to watch. Air is coming, air is going. And take the breath slowly and bring your mind at peace. Whenever mind will come to the peace, downloading of secret will get connected with your pineal glands. Signal will come to the pineal gland and it will be analyzed by the brain cell. As soon as brain cell will analyze the signal, it will give you IQ. It will send to your IQ. Now your IQ will decode it in the language which you know. Or practical knowledge you have and vocabulary inside you have. It will gradually convert in your brain. But you should affirm. You should be able to understand the signal and the language. But deep meditation is required. Simply by giving attention, keeping the eye closed, and keeping our awareness on third eye, air is going, air is coming, breath is going, breath is coming, in, out, but you have to slow down as slow as possible you can do it. By performing in this way, you will get connected with the superpower. No need of chant any mantra, no need of study any book. Your mind is capable, your mind is much more powerful than Gita, Ramayana and other books. You yourself can develop knowledgeable thing around the world and create many things.